Students, business maths. Today topic is lesson number 10, operation research. The objective of the transportation problem is to determine the amount to be transported from each origin to each destination such that the total transportation cost is minimized. The cost of the transporting one limit of an item from the origin I to the destination J is Cij is known for all combination of Ij. Quantity transported from origin I to destination J Bxij. Case number 10.1. What is transportation problem? A transportation problem is to determine the amount to be transported from each origin to each destination such that the total transportation cost is minimized. Question number 2. Write the mathematical form of transportation problem. The objective function is minimize. Sum of I vary from 1 to m. Sum of j vary from 1 to n. Cij, Xij. Sum of j vary from 1 to n Xij is equal to ai. I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on to m. Sum of I is equal to 1 to n Xij is equal to Pj. J is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on to n. Xij is greater than or equal to C. What is feasible solution and non-degenerate solution in transportation problem? What is the feasible solution and non-degenerate solution in transportation problem? A feasible solution to transportation problem is a set of non-negative values Xij. I vary from 1 to m, j vary from 1 to m. That satisfies the constraints. A basic feasible solution to a transportation problem contains exactly m plus n minus 1 allocations in independent positions. It is called a non-degenerate basic feasible solution. Question number 4. What do you mean by the balanced from the transportation problem? If the total supply is equal to total demand, then the given problem is balanced transportation problem. Question number 5. Find an initial basic feasible solution of the following problem using northwest corner rule. Table is this. Northwest corner table is first O1, O2, O3, D1, D2, D3, D4. O1 is 5, 3, 6, 2. O2 is 4, 7, 9, 1. O3 is 3, 4, 7, 5. Supply 19, 37, 34. Demand 16, 18, 31, 25 is given. Total supply is equal to, adding all the supplies, we get 19 plus 37 plus 34 gives 90. Total demand is equal to first demand 16, second 18, 31, 25. Adding these four, we get 90. Total supply is equal to total demand. The given problem is balanced transportation problem. Why? Total supply is equal to total demand. Right. We can find an initial basic feasible solution. How to find the feasible solution? First, given table. Allegation number 1. Given table. Allegation number 1. Take first row, first column. First row supply 19. First column demand 16. Minimum of 16 and 19 is 16. take 16 is minimum. 16 is minimum. So the first box 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. So bar 3. 16 minus 16 is 0. Take first column, first row. Supply is 19. Demand is 16. Minimum of 16 and 19 is 16. So 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So bar 0. 19 minus 16 is 3. So bar 3. Okay. First allegation is over. Next, reduced transportation table. Delete first row. First row is maximum 19. Here minimum. So delete first column. Delete first column. So D2, D3, D4. D2, D3, D4 are the remaining columns. Q O1, O2, O3 or Q1, Q2, Q3. Anyone. O1, O2, O3. Now D2 demand 18. D3 31. D4 25. Supply first O1 3. O2 37. O3 is 34. Minimum of first row and first column. Demand 18, supply 3. Minimum is 3. So minimum of 18 comma 3 is 3. Okay. Minimum of 18 comma 3 is 3. So you have to put on 3 in the first box. 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bar 0. 18 minus 3 is 15. Okay. Next, the cell in the northwest corner, O1 D2. 18 3. 18 3. Minimum is 3. Therefore minimum 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 18 minus 3 is 15. Now Y second row and D2 D3. First column 15. Second demand 31. Third demand 25. Supply first 37. Second 34. Minimum of 15 32. 15 32. Sorry, 15 37. Minimum is 15. 15. Next, you have to put on the first column, first box in 15. Okay. 37 minus 15 is 22. 15 minus 15 is 0. Now delete D1 column. So next, delete D1 column. So D2 and D3 are the positions. D2 and D3. D2 and D3. Now 9175. Demand 31. Supply 22. Minimum of 31 22 is 22. Okay. Now 22 put on the first box. 22 minus 22 is 0. 31 minus 22 is 9. So 31 bar 9. 22 bar 0. Okay. Delete first row. Why first row is 0. Delete first row. You get Q3 7 5. 7 5. Here D2 and D3. How many columns are there? D1. Now 7 and 5. 7 5. Minimum here 9. Here 34. So minimum is 9. You have to put 9 in the first box. 9 in the first box. So cell in the northwest corner rule is here O3, here T3, O3 D3, minimum is 9. Okay, the reduced transportation table is next one more part, 5 only. 5 right hand side 34, demand 9, no, demand 25, demand 25, supply 34. Allocations. First allocation number 1 16, allocation number 2 3, allocation number 3 15, allocation number 4 22, allocation number 5 9, allocation number 6 25. The given table, fix the point 16 3 15 22 9 25. These are the points taking the minimum level of transportation. Okay, next transportation schedule is first O1 to D1, first allocation. Second allocation O1 to D2. Third allocation O2 to D2. Third allocation O2 to D3. Fourth allocation O3 to D3. Fifth allocation O3 to D4. Okay, total transportation cost 16 into 5, next 3 into 3, next 15 into 5, next 22 into 9, next 9 into 7, last 25 into 5. Sum of all gives the total transportation. So 15 5 plus 3 3s plus 15 7 plus 22 9 plus 9 7 plus 25 5 gives rupees 580. Next, determine an initial basic feasible solution of the following transportation problem by northwest corner method. The given table is this one. Chennai, Madurai, Trichy. Column Bangalore, Nasik, Bhopal, Delhi. Capacity column wise, demand row wise. The given table is Chennai, Madurai, Trichy, column wise Bangalore, Nasik, Bhopal, Delhi. Capacity column wise, demand row wise. Total capacity, adding the capacities 35, adding the capacities 30, 40, 50. 30 plus 40 plus 50 is equal to 120. Next, adding the demand 35, 28, 32, 25. Adding 4, we get 120. So 120, 120. The total capacity is equal to total demand. So the given problem is balanced transportation problem. Balanced transportation problem. These two are equal, then balanced transportation problem. The given table is now demand 35, 28, 32, 25. Supply 30, 40, 50. Okay. Take first row 30, first column demand 35. Minimum of 30 and 35 or 35 and 30 gives 30. So you have to put 30 in the first box. Now 30 minus 30 is 0. So 30 bar 0. 35 minus 30 is 5. So 35 bar 5. Okay. Next, allocation number 2. Now 0 first row. So delete Chennai row. Delete Chennai row. Remaining row Madurai and Trichy. Madurai and Trichy. Column wise Bangalore, Nasik, Bhopal, Delhi as it is. Okay. Now demand 5, 28, 32, 25. Column wise supply 40 and 50. Minimum of 5 and 40 is 5. So you have to put 5 in the first box. 40 minus 5 is 35. So 40 slash 35. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 5 slash 0. Okay. Next allegation number 3. Now 0 the first column. First column Bangalore column. Bangalore column is deleted. Bangalore column is deleted. So Madurai, Nasik, Bhopal, Delhi are the columns. Trichy, Nasik, Bhopal and Delhi are the columns. Okay. Now Nasik. Nasik total demand. Demand is 28. Supply 35. So demand 28, 32, 25. Supply 35, 50. Take first row, first column. Minimum of 28 and 35 is 28. So you have to put 28 in the first box. 28 minus 28 is 0. Therefore 28 slash 0. 35 minus 28 is 7. Therefore 35 slash 7. Now 0 is the first column. First column is Nasik column. So delete Nasik column. Delete Nasik column. We get this table. Madurai, Bhopal, Delhi column. Trichy, Bhopal, Delhi column. Now supplier capacity. Demand. Demand 32 and 25. Supply 7 and 50. Take first row, first column. Minimum of 7 and 32 is 7. Minimum of 32 and 7 or 7 and 32 is 7. So you have to put 7 in the first box. 7 minus 7 is 0. Therefore 7 slash 0. 32 minus 7 is 25. Therefore 32 slash 20. Now fifth allegation. 0 is the first row. So delete Madurai row. Madurai row is deleted. Then Trichy row is 7, 13. Column wise Bhopal and Delhi. Here 25 demand. Supply 50. Take 25 and 50. Minimum is 25. You have to put 25 in the first column. 50 minus 25 is 25. So 50 slash 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. Therefore 25 slash 0 demand. Okay. Now sixth allegation. Final stage. Only one. Delete first column. We have to take second column only. 13, 25 supply. Demand 25. Now 25, 25. We have to take the final chart. Allegations. The given table. Now allegation number 1 gives 30. Allegation number 2 gives 5. 3, 28. Allegation number 4, 7. Allegation number 5, 25. Allegation number 5, 25. The transportation schedule is Chennai to Madurai, Madurai to Bangalore, Madurai to Nasik, Madurai to Bhopal, Trichy to Bhopal, Trichy to Delhi. The total transportation cost 30 into plus 5 into 5 plus 28 into 11 plus 7 into 9 plus 25 into 7 plus 25 into 13 gives 76. Hence, the total transportation cost is rupees 1076. Today homework. EX number 10.1, sum number 7 to 12. Sum number 7 to 12, same type. Therefore, try yourself. Today homework over. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.